of Cagayan province within the Peña Blanca protected landscape and seacape in the western foothill of the northern Sierra Madre Mountains on Luzon Islands in the Philippines. The town Peña Blancas, Spanish White Rock, the name the area first excavated in 1980 by Maharlika Cuevas. The Seven Chambers shows cave in the best known natural tourist attraction of the Cagayan province, and in February 2020 has officially been recognized as an important cultural property of the Philippines. Metropolitan Cathedral, commonly known as Tungigaraw Cathedral, is an 18th century Baroque Roman Catholic church located along Rizal Street 10, Tungigaraw City, Philippines. The church, originally built by Dominican friars, is the seat of the of Tungigaraw and is considered one of the largest churches in the Cagayan Valley. Historical marker veering of brief history of the church was installed in 1982 by the National Historic Institute, precursor of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Is a popular noodle dish in Tungigaraw. Poached egg, along with it, is composed of two parts: the noodles with topping and the sauce, which look like an egg drop soup. Poached egg, along with sweetened meat and vegetables, are topped over the fresh Mickey noodles, while a piece of egg is cracked and stirred in simmering beef stock and put in a bowl. Both components should be present when eating this dish to experience optimal flavor. The sauce is gradually poured over the noodles and meat, and it is further enhanced by adding the tablespoon or two of the chopped onion and vinegar dip. Agriculture. The region fertile land, particularly the Cagayan Valley, is a major producer of various crops. The primary agricultural products are rice and corn. products include vegetable, sugar cane, mangoes, and tobacco, which has historically been a significant cash crop for the major livestock producer, with large population of carabaos, cattle, hogs, and poultry. Higlaay Festival, formerly known as Cagayan Festival, then the Higlaay Cagayan Festival in 2014 is a patronal festival held each year in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, every 28th day of August, celebrating the feast day of Saint Augustine, patron saint of the